Hey, Don Stanley, 3 Rhino Media. We are on day 29 of our 30-day challenge, almost there. And in today's video, we're going to start shifting and talk a little bit more about optimizing for YouTube. So when it comes to shooting your YouTube videos, we've covered a ton of ground on what you can do to get started. The most important thing is to get started. And as you work on your videos, you are going to improve. I guarantee if you take the time to watch, you're going to get better. Look again at Gary Vee. As an example, you're going to see him being a super motivator as far as where you can go, where you can start, and where you can go. Now, once you start thinking about posting your videos on YouTube, you want to start thinking beyond the video, and you want to start thinking about what's called metadata. Now, metadata is what tools like Google will use to search and index videos, blog posts, whatever it is, and return the results to a viewer. So when you're thinking of doing your Google search, think of the search results you get. What shows up in the top 10 of those search results? So one, thinking of how Google indexes those, and then two, think about what you click on when you see those top 10 results. Most of the time, if you look at the data, what you're going to see is that people will look at titles, and then the short descriptions that come along with them. So you'll see a thumbnail of the video, you'll see the title of the video, and then you'll see a short description. But I want to give you the 3 elements today that you need to be thinking about, and in the next video we'll talk a little bit more about titles. So when it comes to thinking about this, again, the metadata is the title. So making sure that it's human readable and that it contains the keywords that you think people are going to search. Again, we'll get more into this in the next video. The second is tagging your video. So thinking of fields and industries that people might be interested in and what it is that they would be searching. So for example, with these videos, video marketing, YouTube marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing can all be tags, and it's a way of, again, categorizing. Think of how a library is organized with the books. And then last is description. And we'll be talking more about description next month, where the description is the text that comes with the video. Now, you're allowed to create up to 500 characters worth of content, but what should you be putting in that? And the main thing to think about from a high level as a part of this 30-day challenge, because we're keeping things simple and tactical and practical, is that make sure that the description is in language that your users would be interested in searching. Don't use jargon that they don't get. Don't use flowery language or super clever language. Use language that's clear and direct. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about titles, but I want you thinking about those meta descriptions and how you now start describing your videos, taking things to the next level. Until the next time, here's to having some rhino-sized results.